What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Seth, and today we are working on the Dart. But a quick explanation of why these cars are outside and you haven't seen a video from us recently is because the garage right back here, we're going to be making a video on this if it turns out well. We got the garage epoxy done and then we painted the walls ourselves. So we're putting everything back in. We were just waiting for it to dry. But we're going to be doing the carburetor. We sent this in to National Carburetors. We got a video we're going to put up on the screen of us unboxing it. So we sent it in, they rebuilt it, and it looks like they ultrasonic cleaned it. It was like 250 bucks shipped, I think. It wasn't much, and it came with new gaskets. But the carburetor on the Dart right now, you can see that's leaking gas. It doesn't seal well at all. It's not made for this car, for the 225 Slant Six. It's like close, but all the linkage doesn't line up. So it's like, it's not exact. And I didn't like that, and I couldn't find any of the Holley carburetors online. They were all used, no like brand new ones. So we just sent it in and they sent it right back. It was really quick. It took like a week, I would say. And you just fill out a form. They did great, so hopefully it just lines right up. These gaskets are thicker. They're like quite thick, so the mounting studs, we might have to get new ones at Home Depot. So that's easy, but hopefully it's all smooth and this fires right up. So what we're gonna be doing first is taking pictures. This is for reference. It's always good to do that just in case it does go over a couple days. You never know what's gonna happen. And then we got some cloth, and we're gonna be using an 11/16 wrench to take off this line. It's the fuel line with the fuel filter. And then I got a 9/16 socket this one's an impact, so it's bigger. I couldn't find anything else. So I'm gonna go nice and easy taking off these mounting studs and just disconnect everything. Should be easy. Not a lot of fuel comes in. Good. So like I said earlier, we might have to get longer ones because that gasket's pretty thick. Okay, I disconnected all the linkage and all the lines and I unbolted it, so it should just come right off. Gonna keep it upright so it doesn't leak. Just put it on the dirt. And then since we got new gaskets, I'm just gonna take off this one. Hopefully the thick one works nice and well. If we have any problems, I'm gonna keep this and swap it back. Since it's all off, I'm just gonna clean it up from the gas that's spilt. Now I'm gonna put the gasket on. It sits just like that. Okay, they caught and it actually sits really nice. So let's put it all back together. And this is the airline, vacuum line. We're gonna come back and tighten everything. I'm just getting everything on. The other carburetor had the spring down here. It was all messed up, so this is how it actually should go. And this is part of the reason I wanted a factory rebuilt carburetor, because everything lines up and fits like it should. It's really easy. I didn't want to go to a 2-barrel carb or upgrade it even more. I just want it all factory. Eventually, I mean, ideally, a 440 in this. Be like the LO23 68 darts. That's my vision. We're gonna turn it over and see how it works. And if it leaks gas. tried to turn it over. We're gonna need a new distributor. It's not getting spark. We already replaced it and the coil along with the spark plug wires and the plugs, and the gap is correct. Everything's correct. We checked the timing. It's still not turning over. We're not getting spark. We took out a plug and tried to see the spark. No spark. So I'm gonna replace the distributor again. I don't know if it's bad. 2 bad ones in a row maybe. And then we did replace the ballast resistor over there too, the white. And we checked the voltage of everything. It should get spark. It has ran before, and it did. Yeah, so that's where we're gonna leave off right now. So stay tuned for the next video where we install the distributor. I wanna give you guys some content and something to look forward to. So that's why I'm making it a 2-part video and not just doing it all in this one video, because we gotta still order the distributor. So we're gonna get this running, and this will be my daily driver along with that Eclipse. We got tons of videos for that. We're just waiting for the garage, but big things with that car, just wait. And then the wheels and tires for this car, I'm just gonna stay with the Steelies. I'm gonna take off the hubcaps and order wider wheels in the back. These are 13s in the front, and then I'm just gonna get 15s in the back, maybe 8-inch wide, more of like a drag car setup. So that's the plan with this, and then obviously the stripe and the scoop. So there's some videos coming. The biggest thing was the garage, waiting for that to dry. Now that it's dry, we can move all the cars in and have some really cool content. So see you guys in the next one.